So thank you for accepting my invitation. हितेश जी को मैं पिछले लगभग 6 महीने से जानता हूं. उनके साथ मैं एक ICF MML का एक लाइफ कोचिंग का कोर्स कर रहा हूं 6 मंथ का. तो वी आर बोथ स्टूडेंट इन दैट कोर्स. बट हितेश जी की सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो खासियत ये है, नंबर 1 जो मुझे पिछले 6 महीने में एक्सपीरियंस हुई, he is so humble and down to earth, first thing. और उनकी जो क्वालिटीज हैं और जो उनके जो यूएसपी हैं वो आपको 1-2 बार में पूरी डिस्क्लोज नहीं होंगी. आप जैसे जैसे मिलेंगे आपको पता चलेगा कि अच्छा ये भी है इनमें, अच्छा ये भी है इनमें. एंड ही इज आर्किटेक्ट, हिस्टोरिक आर्किटेक्ट एंड NLP प्रैक्टिशनर. और वो लंबे समय से करीब 10 से 15 साल. हितेश जी कितने साल?
So it's NLP trainer and NLP master coach and 25 plus years.
25 साल से वो ये प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. यस. तो उनका जो आज हम विजडम जो है और 25 सालों का जो हार्ड ट्रुथ और कुछ ऐसी टिप्स जो है आज हम उनसे सुनेंगे, जानेंगे, और जिसको हम बाद में अपने जीवन में प्रैक्टिस करके हम बाद में अपने जीवन का ग्रोथ कर सकते हैं जिस भी फील्ड में हम चाहें. तो हितेश जी, सबसे पहले आप मुझे आज का जो अपने बातचीत का जो सेंटर रहेगा वो NLP ही रहेगा.
Yes.
तो सबसे पहले NLP के बारे में मुझे एक लेमेन वर्ड्स जो होते हैं एक आम भाषा में आप हम लोगों को बताइए प्लीज.
So ऐसा करूंगा, technical and then layman so that we can easily understand.
Okay.
For example, NLP's full form is neuro linguistic programming. But in NLP, everything is looking so complex because the inventor of NLP, Richard Bandler, he was a computer genius. And you know that people in computer are having very nerd. So he was a nerd actually. So he had named everything in a very different way. So neuro is our brain simply because we have 86 billion neurons wired in our body everywhere, right? So this is first thing, neuro. Then linguistic is the way we use language, the way we use to communicate with people. And that is our linguistic part. It can be said or unsaid, but it is linguistic. And then programming. So we are actually programmed automatic machines according to NLP. And it is really because Ramakrishna is X years now, but Ramakrishna's decisions are taken by 4-year-old Ramakrishna till now, and that we don't know. So simple language, NLP is neuro, that means brain, my language, and the way I programmed. So it's an automatic behavior, and we can identify that behavior and we can change it. Or we can say it's an advanced level of mind power, because people know everything from mind power. So you can use your mind, but advanced way. Like in mind power, we are moving with faith. Yes, this might happen, but all things are kind of possibilities, may or may not happen. But here in NLP, even you can see that at the age of 4 years, my thought is in 3 dimensions over here with different properties. So this much is possible with NLP. And then you can, it's like a virtual reality game or 3D game, and you are like playing game. This is what I understood after 25 years.
Okay. You told that NLP is the brain language.
Okay, not only that, NLP is using brain and your linguistic to change or improve or destruct your programming.
Okay. आपने एक और चीज बोला कि आप NLP की मदद से चीजों में बदलाव भी ला सकते हो, अपनी पर्सनालिटी भी बदल सकते हो.
Not only personality, you can do anything you like. Like okay. You are in a virtual world, and anything is possible in a virtual world. So it's all up to you that what is the limit you are imposing upon you in your thinking, and everything is possible. And this is what Richard Bandler followed. NLP he said that NLP is not a technology, not techniques. NLP is an attitude. And he was saying that, and that attitude is everything is possible.
Okay, so that's why NLP is most important.
Exactly. See, NLP is important. No, why everything is possible? See, we are actually very hardwired. Also, we are loose wired time to time. For example, we are having a problem with boss. It might be a new boss. Then it's a very loose connection and loose wired, because neurons have this connection called synapse, and which is loose or hard depending upon time it is used. The way the road we use frequently is very clear.
Yes.
But the road we are not using might have some bushes and insects, everything there, right? So basically, since childhood, we have started our wiring, and so many things are wired in our childhood. And if you are using more and more, and definitely we are actually using it more and more, and that are very hardwired things. And see, books, trainings, coachings, other things are there. Definitely it works, but it will work only on the things which are loosely wired in our brain. But those things which are hardware, it is actually very difficult to identify and change. Because if I ask you something and if you will answer me, in that case, what will happen? You have answered in your consciousness. But what about the things which are there in your subconscious? How will you be able to understand at the first? And when you understand, then you can do something about it. But when you don't know, when it is in your blind spot, what can you do about it? So that's what NLP does. It can change your hardwiring also, and completely change everything. Only thing is, it's up to us how much we can think.
इसी से जुड़ा हुआ एक इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल है, ये सबके लिए उतनी ही उपयोगी है या कुछ खास लोगों के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होती है एनएलपी, और किस तरह से ये फायदा पहुंचाती है?
Yes, so it's a answer in two different types. I mean, for an example, it is for everyone. For example, those who are in sports can use it, and they are using it actually. Those who are in politics can use it. If you know that Narendra Modi ji has also done NLP master practitioner, and he has done modeling of Swami Vivekananda and Hitler combined. This is what I heard. It is nowhere written. So let's hope that our respected Modi ji might have done something like that also. And so it is useful for relationships. It is also useful for personal problems. Everywhere it is useful. It is useful for students and in business, definitely, which we all are looking for. See, because the problem is, as I said, that NLP is identifying hardwiring. For an example, people have since childhood very high, it is called scripts. If you see transaction analysis, it is called scripts, like syphilis. So a person who is rolling a big stone over mountain and going, and all of a sudden he missed once, and that stone again rolled back down to the valley. Again he starts. So his entire life goes into trying to put that stone on top of the mountain, and never happens. Same way, if you see that there are people in their life, what they do, they are climbing financial success, and all of a sudden they fall down. Again they are trying hard, and again they are earning, and again they are making money, and then again they are almost at the peak of their finances, again they fall down. And this is syphilis script happening, but they don't identify that I am trapped in this situation which is happening again and again, because we never introspect our life. So from there, one can understand and change that hardwiring or scripts, or it is automatic. So we actually, it is very difficult for us to identify also. So that's why NLP is important, and NLP can help everyone. So this is one answer. But second answer is, NLP cannot help everyone. Why? Those who are ready, NLP can help. But if a person is not ready to change, no, not possible. You cannot help a person who is not willing to change, because there are lots of things to work inside.
Okay, okay. That means if you want to change, first you have to accept the thing,
Willingness to change.
willingness to change yourself. So NLP is works when you trust on it. Yeah,
So it's not like, I mean, something external, but it is purely internal.
it is purely internal.
Yes.
Okay. So how can we identify the pattern? You have just shared a story that a one person goes up and again down, then up, again down, zigzag, and
This is Greek story, syphilis.
yeah.
So see, there are in NLP language, it is called meta programs.
Okay.
So meta programs are our subconscious behaviors, which are not in our conscious understanding, and we don't know what is happening in the back, but it is our decision making factor. It is our, compass. Our life only runs through that. I know that you are very much interested in business, so let me tell you something from business area so that you can relate as well as you will find interesting. For example, Steve Jobs or Bill Gates are creators. No? They are creating products, and they are wealthy from this skill of creating. But at the same time, there is Warren Buffett, who is just an investor doing nothing, enjoying, and still by investment he is making. So he's actually aiming time, when to buy, when to sell. Same way, there are people who don't have any product, who are not having any kind of money. I mean, they are having, but they are not investing. But for example, Donald Trump, Amit Shah, they are deal makers. No? They are in between, and they will make these two people meet, and from that deal they will get their money. And it is also, they are also wealthy, right? Same way, there are people like Ray Kroc. They don't have any product, no money, but they are selling an idea. This is the system, and if you will work on this system, you will get money, and they are also wealthy. Or there are Amitabh Bachchan, Arnold Schwarzenegger. They are celebrities. They just come, appear, and go, and they will get healthy amount for that. So everybody is making money in different way. So this is what I have created out of NLP as in my entrepreneur frequency. So this is what our programs. For example, now if Warren Buffett says that I am going to create a new mobile, which is much better than iPhone, but we are not going to buy that because we have no idea about his creating ability. Or Bill Gates or Steve Jobs say that now we are now going to invest only, we don't want to create anything. So they will be in stress because they might have some money, but they will not have satisfaction because creation is their main ability and they have to express their creating ability, right? So it is not possible to live or to do world-class business out of your frequency. You have to be there, you have to be in your pattern and in your alignment, otherwise it's it might be giving you bread, but butter it not possible. Butter butter you have to go for alignment. So these are the meta programs, and based on that you can create your business, or at least you can align your business.
Okay. इसको मैं ऐसे समझ रहा हूँ कि हर व्यक्ति की अपनी एक पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है, उसका अपना एक मेटा प्रोग्राम होता है, और उसी
इट इज मोर देन 100.
हाँ, ओके. हाँ, मेरा कहने का मतलब उसका अपना मेटा प्रोग्राम होता है.
यस.
और उस मेटा प्रोग्राम के आधार पर ही वो अपनी लाइफ क्रिएट करता है, बिजनेस क्रिएट करेगा, लाइफ पैटर्न क्रिएट करेगा, ठीक है, और उसी के हिसाब से उसको अचीवमेंट मिलेगा, क्योंकि पर्टिकुलर चीज करने के बाद ही उसको सेटिस्फेक्शन आएगा. जैसे स्टीव जॉब्स का आपने उदाहरण दिया, यदि वो कोई क्रिएशन करेगा तो ही उसको फुलफिलमेंट महसूस होगा, ठीक है. डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प जैसे लोग पावर लेंगे या मनी अर्न करेंगे, बिजनेस करेंगे तो ही उनको फुलफिलमेंट लगेगा, उनका पैटर्न अलग है.
And other things are not possible. Only this
पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, राइट, क्योंकि उनका अपना एक पैटर्न, फिक्स पैटर्न है. अब मेरे को ये समझना है, बहुत मतलब मजा आ गया इस बात उदाहरण से. मुझे ये समझना है कि कोई व्यक्ति को अपना पैटर्न समझने में या पैटर्न को डेवलप करने में एनएलपी किस तरह से मदद कर सकती है.
Yeah, so this is, see, I will answer this question when we will talk about certification levels, because it is related to that also, what will come when. But in short, if I will answer, then there is system from which you can understand meta programs at different levels. Initially, you can understand when you don't know NLP much and you are doing some practitioner course, then you can understand meta programs by interviewing people. After that, there will be a next level when I will talk with you and I will understand your program. Then there is next level when I no need to talk and I will just observe you and I understand your meta programs. After that, the levels I have developed, like I even no need to meet you also and I will understand everything about you.
Okay.
So these are the levels. NLP, as I said, that everything is possible.
Okay.
So there are steps. The way, so for example, I am learning for 25 years, so I can do other things also. But when one starts, then there is system which is useful at starting level, like interview people, go through the system and identify the meta program. So it is again practice. I mean, it requires lots of practice because NLP programs are very long. For example, first level is 5 days, 5 whole days. Then you will have something about it. Oh my God, this is NLP. Then there are many programs.
Okay, तो NLP प्रैक्टिशनर बनने के लिए NLP प्रैक्टिशनर जो होता है वो NLP प्रैक्टिस करता है या दूसरों को भी सिखाता है, एक चीज ये भी समझना है. तो NLP प्रैक्टिशनर कौन बनता है, मतलब क्या, कितने दिन का प्रोग्राम होता है, क्या सर्टिफिकेशन प्रोग्राम होता है, उसको बताइए. और साथ में ये बताइए कि जो NLP जो सर्टिफिकेशन ले लेता है व्यक्ति, तो वो उसका क्या रोल हो जाता है फिर?
Great. This is very nice question and a very important question because, see, I will answer in two parts. One is, okay, what is the hierarchy, right? So NLP starts from diploma. So diploma in NLP, where it is a 2 days course when person understand that basics about NLP. Then there is advanced diploma in NLP. And then there is practitioner course, which is 5 days. So in 5 days, a person learns how to practice for himself or herself. It is not about going out and practicing on others. For that, the next level, but in NLP practitioner, a person learns a lot about himself that he or she completely transforms and then moves to the next level. So then there is NLP master practitioner, which is 12 days course. And in that course, it is an advanced level. For example, you will understand meta programs of people by just talking or listening. And so even there is something which is very interesting called modeling. Like, for an example, so if you see Sachin and Vinod Kambli, so if you see the role of metaphor, that yes, both are very good batsmen, star batsmen, but Vinod Kambli could not perform like what Sachin performed because the meta programs were different. But now when we understand, okay, Sachin is performing best, now a newcomer who is new into Indian team, if he models Sachin, then he can perform exactly like Sachin very next day. I'm not going to say that he will as good as Sachin, but it will be a quantum jump from where he was to where he is now after modeling. So you can completely model a person immediately. So that is also available. So it is master practitioner level course. Then there is next level that is called train the trainer, which is NLP. You can become NLP trainer, where you can teach NLP practitioner, master practitioner, diploma, everything. And then there is next level. It is called master practitioner, master trainer. I'm very sorry. So master trainer level, you can create a trainer as well. So this is the hierarchy. And now very important is certification. See, NLP actually was invented by two geniuses. One is language genius and one is computer genius, right? So I'm not going to talk about language genius part because, see, to be very frank, personally, I think that NLP actually is a creation of Richard Bandler and his partner John Grinder. John Grinder was actually linguistic genius, and his NLP is called ATA NLP. So that's a different story. But Richard Bandler, who has most NLP techniques and most ideas, everything is possible, attitude, everything was there. So he has actually, there are a few lines like Society of NLP, which is by Richard Bandler. So this is the best institute to learn NLP from. Also there is ABNLP, American Board of NLP, which is worldwide famous. And then there is ANLP, Association of Neuro-Linguistic Programmers. So these three bodies and this fourth body from John Grinder, to be very frank, I find it very complex, so I am not recommending it. But these three bodies, Society of NLP, that is SNLP, ABNLP, and ANLP, are the topmost bodies in NLP, and from there one has to learn. And also there are some good trainers like Robert Deal says AUNLP. It is also very good. But again, the problem is now AUNLP don't have trainers in India and all. But these three bodies have available in India and certification from India, worldwide valid and worldwide best certification courses. So one should not only go from these three body, but should not go from any other body. Why? For example, there are few people who are also offering NLP courses, but the problem is they can go only up to master practitioner, then they cannot become trainer. So now suppose you have invested 1.5 lakh in a other body which might be reputed but which is not an NLP body, other than NLP body, then you have to come back again and start again new practitioner course and then become trainer. So it will be a very costly affair if someone want to move to the higher level. And I always definitely advise that always one has to go higher level, because at lower level knowledge will be there but master will not be there. So this is actually certification body's role, and one should, so simple choice, one should always go for either SNLP, ABNLP or ANLP, and at the most more to, that is John Grinder's NLP or Robert Deal's NLP, no other body.
Okay, so these are the precautions one should have taken while going for the NLP practitioner certification courses.
Yes.
Okay, and you also give training. So tell me about the training aspect of the NLP. How you do and what are your certification programs?
So see, basically I am trainer with Society of NLP. I am trainer with American Board of NLP, ANLP, all the institutes I am trainer with, all the top level. So basically I provide all the trainings in NLP. Only thing is now it is not about time to go for only NLP, but beyond that, which is called, you can create your own NLP.
Okay.
For example, I have created my own system, Esoteric Architecture, which is an integration of NLP and architecture, from where I have recovered 175 plus corona patients during this lockdown. So it's an amazing way of practicing NLP. Or you can create, for example, I have created a course for real estaters, like NLP for real estate. How would you go out and buy or sell a house with NLP?
Oh, great.
Or I have also created a course for designers, like, you know, designing line is very boring sometimes. Actually, I'm an architect, that's why I'm because see what people doing right nowadays, they just, the client comes and asking for a design, then they go onto website, find some good photographs and copy from the design and design. But because the new fresh ideas, inspiring ideas are not there. So I have created 5 days course for architects, how to design architecture with NLP.
Okay.
And so it's completely fresh. You can design with your subconscious. Na? So these are the things. Applied NLP is actually like how to do NLP in business, how to do NLP in driving. I mean, how do you design driving skills with NLP? So many applications. I mean, these are what the things I am telling just on surface. N number of aspects you can go for.
Okay. Okay. I have a very important question. The people who are like me want to understand more about their own meta pattern, about their own mind language, and they want to upgrade themselves in the life, and they want to create their new version. Actually, for what they have made, they want to understand, so that according to that they can do the activities and align their life for the future desired life. So what will be your suggestion? How can people like me can start and can get the benefit from the NLP?
So first thing is, I have write down my number over here. You also
Okay.
can write down on your number, because so
Yeah.
people, whenever people want to contact us, and we can put our number in description box also. Like, see, first of all, one should test NLP, right? So whatever I have said might feel interesting, but whether it is something which is different or not, or so let me do. I know that you are also a very good friend of mine, so I am offering you, and not only you, as all your subscribers who are here, and everybody who are going to watch this video,
Okay.
they can find out something limiting
Okay.
for long, like something is not getting resolved for long, or and they can call me on my number.
Yeah.
So I will offer a free discovery call worth ₹5,000 and completely free of cost, because as your goal and my goal is same, that to contribute to people.
Yeah.
It is not about money, but it is about contribution. So I'm going to help this free discovery call, and I will be able to tell you and your subscribers that what is that limiting problem, what is that pattern. And now this is very serious, like whatever I'm going to tell anybody is 100% true, but there are few people who are not going to believe, because in NLP there is a meta program called trust. Like there are people who have this tendency that they will trust people in one go. Like, for example, I meet you, I like you, and I trust you, simple. But there are people who are taking some time, like 2 or 3 times they will meet, and they will see, next time they will again come and check, and okay, good to trust, then they will trust. But there are people who have this meta program, and they are never going to trust anyone. Never. Even they go their home and they see, ask their children, have you done the homework? And children say, yes, yes, papa or mother, whatever, and sleep. And when the children goes to sleep, they just go and check whether they have actually done the homework or not. So they will
Amazing.
trust anywhere, not in the relationship, not in the business, and not in themselves also.
Okay.
So they are not going to believe. And I will definitely, the person who is going to call me, I will tell that, please, if you are going to believe me, then only you come to us. Because see, it is not, I don't want to tell, but again, what will happen, that if you don't believe whatever I say, then what will happen? You will find no value. Right? So it is not about trust, that I am not telling that trust me blindly, but whatever I am going to tell is something wonderful, because which is hidden in your blind spot for years, and I am going to open that blind spot. And that is so valuable that if you focus on that blind spot, it will be amazing. Life will have either 180-degree U-turn or a full speed. Because why we are going slow, either we might not have clarity. So with lack of clarity, we might have less confidence, and then we are going slow. But when you have clarity, everything is clear, then enjoy, go like rocket.
Yes, yes. So it is, thanks a lot, and you have given a discount offer, and I think free discovery call.
It's not a discount, it's 100% discount.
100% discount. Okay. So it's 100% discount discovery call. Anybody who is interested to know their programming and meta pattern and the secret of their mind can call the Hitesh. I am giving his number here, and book the discovery call. It is 100% free.
So it is anybody who is either curious to know something more about themselves, or who is in pain and want to get rid of that pain for long. So these two type of people can come.
Who are more curious to know about themselves, and second is जो दर्द में है, जिनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, क्लैरिटी नहीं मिल रही है, या रास्ता नहीं दिख रहा है.
Exactly. Who are stuck.
वो स्टक हो गए हैं कहीं ना कहीं जीवन में. So it's not a It's not a matter of that आपको एक्सपर्ट से सलाह नहीं लेनी चाहिए या आप खुद ही कर पाएंगे। कई बार मुझे लगता है कि जो सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट होते हैं उनके पास हमें तुरंत अप्रोच करना चाहिए और हमारी जो भी क्वेरीज है उनके साथ बातचीत करके, क्योंकि बहुत बहुत क्या पूरा हमारा जो डेस्टिनी जो आज हम है वो हमारा मेटा प्रोग्राम से ही बना हुआ है।
Perfect.
और यदि हमें नई डेस्टिनी क्रिएट करना है तो हमें हमारा मेटा प्रोग्राम, हमारा ब्रेन लिंग्विस्टिक सिस्टम जो है उसको अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा और उसको कहाँ पे चेंज करने की जरूरत है वो तो एक्सपर्ट ही बता सकता है। सो थैंक यू हितेश। एंड इन द लास्ट आप कोई और इम्पोर्टेंट बात रिमाइंड कराना चाहे तो प्लीज करवाइए।
अगेन मैं तो यही बताऊंगा कि जिन लोगों को अपने बारे में जानना है, why my relationship is not working, why my personality is like this, why I am not able to make money in spite of so many efforts. So many questions are there in our life and which are actually, you know, every time, see what happens, every time we are getting diminished by this lack of confidence, by this lack of clarity. And I advise everyone that don't get stuck. Ask people like us, like Ramakrishna can help you in coaching, or if something which is unknown to you, you can ask me. Like, but ask, go to expert and open to coaching, open to NLP, open to training, because after books, these are the things which are actually going to impact you and transform you, and nothing else. Like, this is an investment, and we are also not asking you to invest right now.
Yeah, पर इन्वेस्टमेंट हमेशा फायदा ही देता है।
डेफिनेटली
मैंने तो ये अनुभव किया है लाइफ में। उसका फायदा तुरंत नहीं मिलेगा तो आफ्टर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम मिलेगा। और फायदा केवल पैसे का ही नहीं होता है, लाइफ में, पर्सनालिटी में, आपके हैप्पीनेस लेवल में, आपके नेटवर्क लेवल में, आप अच्छे लोगों के साथ जुड़ जाते हो तो ऑटोमेटिक उन सब चीजों का कंपाउंडिंग इफेक्ट होने लगता है जो कुछ समय के बाद दिखता है। तो प्लीज जो भी एनएलपी में इंटरेस्टेड है और मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट जो क्यूरियस है खुद की प्रोग्रामिंग जानने के लिए या लाइफ में कहीं स्टक हो गए हैं, तो उस जो ऑब्स्टेकल्स हैं उनको हटा के आगे बढ़ने के लिए जिनमें थोड़ी सी भी उत्सुकता है वो हितेश भाई से जरूर संपर्क करें। मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, उनका नंबर यहाँ पे दे रहा हूँ और आप इसको कोई ये 100% फ्री है, मतलब कोई मनी नहीं लेने वाले हैं। तो बहुत सारे लोग केवल इसलिए नहीं संपर्क करते कि अरे पैसे खर्च करने पड़ेंगे। सो इट्स 100% डिस्काउंट डिस्कवरी कॉल। यू कैन कॉल एंड बुक द अपॉइंटमेंट विथ हितेश जी। सो वंस अगेन हितेश भाई, thank you for giving such a
appreciation for this wonderful program. Thank you also on behalf of the humanity that you are doing such wonderful thing. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you Hiतेsh bhai.
Okay, bye.